Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, April 18th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. It was kind of a slow day to day, at least for our portfolio, it was. It's the day before a long weekend. Not too much excitement, but the Dow did do some interesting things today. I have been complaining daily about these patterns in the Dow, like here on, I think this was Tuesday, it opens way up and then it makes a high here on the first 15 minutes and then pulls back all day, even though it actually finishes positive. But the highs for the day are being made right on the open. Well, today it started out with that pattern and it made its lows here, and I thought, well, here we go again. But it came back, actually took out those highs, and then just pulled back a little on the close. But interestingly enough, up here on the highs for the day, the Dow is within 400 points of making all-time highs. So that will be a big day when it finally does that. And I believe it will very shortly. After 400 points, we have a really big day. It could make 400 points in a single day. We have just 3 really good days. It could make it in 3 days. But predicting the stock market is a foolish pastime that most of us indulge in. So I don't know exactly what's going to happen. We had kind of a crappy day. But the problem we had is we had 3 crappy positions coming in, and they just got marginally better. And we ended up closing those 3 positions out with negative $5,100 this morning. We only got into 2 new positions. One was positive, one was negative, and we're holding a whopping $330 positive open trade equity over the long weekend. By the way, officially the Dow closed up 110 points here. I should have mentioned that. Okay, I don't have much to show you, but I will show you one kind of interesting trade here. This is JDST, which is a gold mine bear. We've been getting a lot of trades in this, and most of them have been good. We had bought this right with an hour to go. I know I sound like I have lung cancer. I don't have lung cancer. Um, I have a really bad cold. Fortunately, today it's a little bit better. I'm not having a fever anymore, and that makes a world of difference in terms of how I feel. Anyway, we bought this gold mine bear last hour yesterday, and we got out here today with negative $157. And I wouldn't have expected this, but it suddenly took off again. And so midday we end up getting re-entered on it. And its move from there was very rapid. And up here at the top, only 30 minutes or so after re-entry, we were already up $2,000 on the trade. And then it pulls back, and we're a positive $1,100 open trade equity in that. So it's a little bit frustrating, but still a good trade in JDST, the gold mining bear. Okay, not too much to report, unfortunately. This is a 3-day weekend. I'm not going to be doing markets tomorrow, thank God. And I will be you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back here on Monday as usual.